Right, so in this video we are going to go through the process of doing journal entries. Let's say we want to transfer funds between two bank accounts. So to do your journal entries, let's just come here on this search, and then I type journal. So here you can see create journal, so I can click on create journal, and this one comes and our journal date is showing 1 January. Make sure that the date is correct. So we want to do transfer of funds from CBZ bank account. Maybe we have withdrawn the cash from the bank account. So I click on CBZ. So I click on CBZ. I credit CBZ. Maybe I'm going to credit CBZ with 120, and then we are going to debit cash on hand with the amount that we want, which is 120. Cash on hand is 120. After that, you can just click on save. Here you can also select the journal entry, that is, you can also select the projects under name that is handling the transaction. So in this case, I'm going to select that one. Here, just click OK. So that's it for doing your journal entries in the system. What else would we want to do here? We also want to do reports, so I can click on reports. So these are the reports. That's where you can see your reports. We've got standard reports. Also we've got our profit and loss. Let me click on profit and loss. So we can see this is our profit and loss in the system. So our profit and loss is not according, this one is for the whole company, is not according to any project. We would also want to go and see reports according to projects. So if you want to see for projects, you can click on projects here, and then you click on the project. So you can see the profit margin. Normally the profit margin is the amount that is left that have not been consumed yet. So I click on projects. I can click on project profitability. So in our setup or in NGO, we need to make sure that the total earnings will amount to 0. So this is the income for this project, and these are the expenses. So we only have one expense for this project. So I think that's all that we may need to know about projects. So that's it.